Hi and welcome to our channel. Are you searching for better business ideas to make extra income? The internet offers a lot of opportunities to start a business or find fulfilling careers. It is now easier than ever to start an internet business. With just a computer and an internet connection, you can accomplish it from the comfort of your own home. To begin, you don't need to spend a lot of money. Also, at the end of this video, you will get a super bonus that will help you. This is a strategy that many people use to increase their income considerably. In this video, we'll go through some of the most profitable and easy to start internet business ideas. You'll also find answers to some of the most frequently asked questions about launching an internet business. So, in order to provide you with a variety of possibilities, we collected a list of the greatest internet business ideas to help you become wealthy. Let's begin. Work as a consultant in the field of social media. Large organizations and enterprises may easily engage a full-time staff coordinator or a comparable agency to manage their accounts, while smaller businesses must typically handle their own social media marketing. However, due to their numerous other tasks, many business owners are too distracted or busy to invest significant time in designing their social media strategy. Individuals or businesses that work with clients to develop, optimize, and increase their social media presence are known as social media consultants. The day-to-day job of each social media consultant will vary based on their services, which might range from one to several. We'll go through these in a bit more detail later. As a social media consultant, you can successfully guide them in the proper way in terms of appropriate methods, implementation timelines, and content publishing that is relevant to their audience. Although it is not simple, working as a social media consultant may be quite rewarding. If you think this is the career for you, do your homework and start strong by using our social media consultant checklist. Become a freelancer. One of the greatest aspects of freelancing is that you may work on your own schedule. You may do it part-time in addition to your normal full-time job if you just need some additional cash or want to build skills in a new area, or you make it your full-time career with a little strategic preparation. It's time to establish a strategy when you tried out a few various types of projects and clients and have a good notion of what you'd like to work on. Even if you aren't looking to impress investors, drafting a business plan may help you clarify your objectives and sketch out a basic outline of what success looks like for you. When you're desperate, you make horrible choices and decisions. That is why I usually advise against starting freelancing to make quick money. It is important to understand that freelancing is not a get-rich-quick scam. It necessitates a great deal of effort. Data entry, transcription, and translation are all simple services that you may undertake as a freelancer. Those simple occupations aren't going to last long. If you want to make a living as a freelancer, you'll have to put in a lot of effort to improve your talents. Email people. Emailing individuals is another internet business concept to investigate. Not just any email newsletter, but meaningful email newsletters that convert. A great newsletter may be created in a variety of ways. One of them is to read books or watch movies, and then send out an email with fascinating details and a breakdown to your subscribers. Furthermore, you may monetize newsletters by obtaining an advertising or sponsor to fund your newsletters after you have a sufficient number of subscribers. Making money with email marketing is easier than you would think, but there is a process to follow. You'll have a hard time gaining traction unless you follow the guidelines we've laid down here. It's no fun when you're caught in a rut. You're missing out on business opportunities and losing prospects. You must change your thinking when it comes to email marketing. Your primary objective should be to elicit desire and provide value. Allow customers to pressurize themselves into making a purchase. User-friendly information should be abundant in marketing communications. It's not about persuasion. The goal of the game is to sow the seed in their minds that they should buy from you. Content marketing is starting a blog about your passion. Writing content that people want to read is crucial, but I believe that writing about issues that you, the blog owner and blog writer, are passionate about is even more important. Seriously, if you don't care about the subject and aren't enthusiastic about it, you're wasting your time and the time of thousands of other internet users. Don't be that person or gal. There are already far too many of them. Everyone will see that you aren't passionate, and you will be miserable as a result. Sure, you'll make money in the short term, but I guarantee you'll make a lot more money in the long run if you're doing something you truly enjoy. You must write on the subject virtually every day. You will rapidly grow bored and writing will become a chore if you are not passionate about what you are writing about. Your readers will notice and will go if this occurs. It's simple to write about something you're enthusiastic about. Writing about something you don't care about is really difficult. Work is writing about something you don't care about. Blogging should not be a chore. It should be pleasant, intriguing, and fun. Content marketing is also effective for establishing online authority. You'll become more reputable than offering essential information to your audience if you create high-quality content. This aids in improving your search engine ranking. Furthermore, your target audience is more likely to trust your brand. They will see you as a subject matter expert. As a result, your content must demonstrate your competence in your subject by giving your readers useful and helpful information. Life coaching. If you've already determined your value proposition, who you want to serve, and how you will differentiate yourself as a coach, the next stage in growing a successful business is to develop your own distinctive coaching program. It might seem like a lot of effort if you're a first-time coach or new to online coaching. Fortunately, online coaching packages are nothing more than digital route maps. They provide you a means to map out your client's growth from where they are now to where they want to be, as well as all the evaluations, lessons, tools, and other resources you'll utilize to help them get there. Knowing your service and your target audience is essential for launching a successful online tutoring business. This expertise will assist you in developing a really unique product that not only looks nice but also performs well. But yes, it looks simple from one side, but the thing is you need a lot of work and patience. And the best advice I can give you is to create as much content as possible on your platforms. That's the key to success. Yes, it's that simple. Pay close attention to this part. But how to create a lot of content? Your time is limited and you have to do it on your own. Don't worry. I have a secret that I've been using for years, and I can tell you that I feel a great increase. Not many people know about this, so use this useful tip. I present to you this smart online tool that will guarantee you considerable growth of your business within a month. This method is much easier and cheaper. WriteSonic is an artificial intelligence writing helper that can help you in creating material in minutes. This feature allows you to create highly optimized landing pages, headers, meta descriptions, blog entry, social media post, article, or email. Whether you're a freelance writer or work for a company that employs writers, you'll realize how much effort and time goes into each piece. It might be difficult to have a full content load. As a result, having an AI writing assistance available to both freelancers and businesses is beneficial. So use this program and save your time. Thank you for watching.